Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Guys, today I'm going to show about this viral reel which you have seen in the preview. So guys, if you want to try this 10, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, to make this video you need VN application. VN application easily find on your Play Store. So first install the VN application, and when you open this app you will get interface like this. Guys, you need two photos to edit this stand. So to import the two photos, click on here plus icon and click on the new project option, then select two photos according to you from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. So guys, you can see how to take the photos, okay, and adjust your photo like this. Okay, now guys, first you delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16 to increase your video quality, and this is the Instagram ratio. Okay, now guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel. Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first you download the reel video from Telegram. After that we will extract from video from that reel. So when you download the reel video, after that you will click on the plus icon on here and click the music on here. Then guys, have to click on the plus icon, and here you will get extract from video option. So click on this option and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. So I have to select this reel, then click on the OK option. Now guys, have to click on the choose option and I have to done from here. In this way music will be added. Now guys, we will trim the photos according to music. So first I trim the photos, after that I will tell you the photo durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay, okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. It's very simple. Now note the photo durations. So first photo duration you will keep 5.79 second. Also you can keep the 80 second. Okay, 5.80 second. Then guys, second photo duration is 6.89 second. You can also keep the 6.90 second. Okay, now guys, we will add the text on here. So to add the text on your first photo, come to the first photo and click on the plus icon on here and click the text option. Okay, now guys, input the title here. Imagine him asking your dad this. Okay, and you can replace dad to mom. Okay, okay, you have to add the text like this and have to done from here. And this text timeline you will keep till the first photo. Okay, so click on this timeline and increase till the first photo like this. Okay, now guys, come to the second photo joint. Okay, and click on the plus icon on here and click the text option and input here second text, which is can I have you daughter. So I have to add the text can I have your daughter. Okay, now I have to done from here. Now guys, again come to the second photo joint and click the plus icon and have to click on the text option, and here you will separate this. Okay, and here you will type for the rest of my life. Okay, for the rest of my life. You can decrease this text. Okay, and have to done from here like this. Okay, Now guys, again come to the second joint and click the plus icon, click the text option, and next text is say yes. Okay, so click on this text and write here say yes, like this, and have to done from here. Again come to the second photo joint, click on the plus icon, click the text option, and have to separate this. Okay, and click on this title and input here cause I need to know. Okay, like this. Now again have to done from here. Okay guys, in this way all text is completed. Now guys, you have to adjust your text according to audio. So guys, first you have to listen the audio, and according to audio you have to adjust your all text. As I can't listen music to you, so first I adjust the all text. After that I will tell you the all text durations. Okay. Okay guys, you have to adjust like this, and you have to keep the durations of your text. So first text duration which is can I have your daughter, so you have to keep the durations this text 6.86 second. Okay, and second text duration is which is for the rest of my life, keep the durations this text 5.42 second. Okay, now guys, I have to keep the duration of third text which is say yes. This text duration is 3.68 second. Okay, now guys, last text duration is 1.64 second. You have to keep text is cause I need to know. Okay, so this text duration is 1.64 second. So guys, you have to keep the durations like this of all text. Okay, and your video is completed. Guys, you can also change the text color if you want. So to change the text color, click on the any text and click the edit option, and here you will get color grading option. Click on this option and select the color according to you. I wouldn't change this color because white is perfect according to my photo, but you can change your color according to your photo. Okay, so change the color and then have to click on the apply to all option and color apply to all text. Okay, and guys, also you can change the fonts of all text. So to select the font, click on the any text and click the edit option, and here you will get fonts option and select the fonts according to you. So I have to select this font and have to click on the apply to all option and font apply to all text. Okay, now guys, your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from right hand corner and have to done from here. Now guys, click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.